How to fix KB5063878 0x80240069 error in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error code that appears when installing the August security update for Windows 11 24H2. Right click on desktop, take your mouse pointer on new and select text document. Open the newly created text document. Go to the video description. You will find some registry entries and keys. Copy the registry file from the video description and paste into this document. Then click on File, select Save As, select the location where you want to save the reg file. Type a name such as kb.reg. .reg will be essentially added. For Save As type drop-down, select all files. Then click on Save. Close the document. Right click on the newly created reg file and select Open. Click on Yes on the User Account Control pop-up. On the warning pop-up, click on Yes. The keys and values contained in this location have been successfully added to the registry. OK. Then restart your computer. Then try to install the update. To do this, click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Once the security update is downloaded, click on Restart Now and complete the installation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.